Hey, Jeremy. Ew, don't feed it to Rosie. Oh, the meatball? Yeah, feed that to Rosie. Ew. Okay, that's a dirty fork now. Hey, can you show me your dance? If I make music, will you dance? Let's do some music. Do 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 do. Get down with it. Do 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 do. Yeah, look at you go. Do 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 do. B. No. Did he steal your meatball? Do 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 do. Don't feed it. Ew, ew. Don't do that. They have their own food. No. Are you done? Don't stab her either. Hey, show me your shoulders. Do the shoulder dance. Do the shoulder dance. Do the shoulder dance. What? Well, set it up. You gotta put your fork down and pick it up. There you go. What? It's in your food? We'll get it out. Should we tell sissies it's time to come in? Dogs, go eat your own food. Bedtime. Ready to get cleaned up? Can you blow me a kiss? Blow a kiss? You won't do it. Good job. Wolverine. Show me again. Wolverine. Very good. How about more? More. Show me more. Good job. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Daddy. Where's Daddy? You don't know? Did you know he'll be home soon? Daddy's coming home. No, you. Quit letting him lick your fork. That's gross. Quit. How are you going to eat your food now? How are you going to eat your food? With your hand? Like that? I'm going to tell sissies it's time to come inside.